All right, guys, today we're going for a drive in a 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. This thing just got traded in, and it's a pretty interesting truck. I've never driven a Toyota truck, so this is going to be a first time for me. Look at this big snorkel that comes up with the TRD package. Big, aggressive, all-terrain wheels, the side steps, the fuel tanks at the back. This thing is meant to do some off-roading. I don't even know what is back here. Extra storage space or something. Maybe you guys let me know in the comments down below. Oh, I love a Fox sticker on there. I'm a Fox guy, so that's big for me. And then extra storage spaces at the side. This is such a cool truck in an interesting green. We've got cloth. No, actually it's like a leather interior, red contrast stitching, good amount of space in the back. The coolest thing about this, it is a manual transmission. How cool is that? This is the key that you get with it. I'm gonna plug that in. Parking brake is down. It's a 6-speed manual transmission truck. I've never driven a Toyota truck, never mind with a manual transmission. Got window switches over here, some door lights over here, clutch start cancel. Interesting. Rear view camera, surround view camera, navigation on the map system, pretty decent. Climate control is digital down there. 4-wheel or rear wheel. I don't know what that is at the rear glass window. What is this? Powered rear window. That's sweet. We got a sunroof. I don't know about Toyota, but this thing seems fully loaded. We got more buttons and switches. I don't know what all the buttons and switches do, so we're just gonna go and drive and get a feel for this car. What is it like to drive a manual truck? I don't even know what the engine is on this car. If you guys know a little bit more about this car than I do, let me know in the comments down below. What kind of engine does this come with? Now I know you're expecting me to have all the answers, but I don't. I'm just going for a virtual test drive for you guys. Get a first-hand experience of what this car is like, or this truck. We're gonna head over to the highway. We're gonna do a little bit of highway driving, and then we'll come back up. So you get a little bit of highway drive feel and some back road feel and some city streets, and yeah, here we go. This shifter is cool. I think someone said it was a short shifter. I mean, the engine doesn't have a lot to her. I mean, low RPMs doesn't really want me to, doesn't feel like the car likes to go up into those high RPMs. We're in 3rd gear right now. This is such an interesting drive. I'm so high up. I feel like I'm driving a big truck. Like a big tractor trailer type of truck with this big shifter knob. These all-terrain tires give a certain road feel. Makes me just want to like go through these potholes. These brakes are heavy though. They're not as responsive as the normal BMWs that I drive. Got lane departure warning, pre-collision system. Interesting. What does home on the navigation screen look like, or the menu? Destination, audio, phone, apps. Oh, we can project our phone onto the screen as well. Setup, general, Bluetooth, audio. It doesn't look like there's too much to go through here. Let's try out the navigation. So let's search. We're gonna go back to Parkview BMW. Wow, touchscreen is very responsive. I like that. Let's go. Your destination has been set.
proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
I feel like it drives like a truck would expect. It's very sluggish. Heavy car. Heavy truck. You gotta get used to being a truck.
Right turn onto Dawn Mills Road.
You push the pedal down, it just slowly accelerates. Well, you're not buying trucks. Like, they're not gonna accelerate like a sport car, so maybe my expectations should change a bit. I do know I don't like her voice, so we're gonna turn the voice control off. And the navigation also comes up in the gauge cluster. It is freezing in here. Blind spot monitoring. Okay, we're going again. We're gonna go on the highway. We'll notch her down into second gear and we'll do a bit more of a higher RPM accel here in second gear. This gets loud. 4,000, 5,000. Yeah, it's pretty gutless. Like, there's really no reason to bring the RPMs up that high. Like, I just don't even want to take the car above 4,000 RPM. This shifter is super cool though. Get that up into sixth gear as soon as possible. Bro, only doing 100 there? This car makes it feel like you're going faster than you really are. Quite a lot of road noise with these tires. Feels badass though, that's for sure. Suspension's good, it's comfortable. Seats are pretty comfy as well. Yeah, it's been all the highway driving that we need to do today. Look at that, it's even got real-time traffic info. Yeah, these brakes, very heavy. Oof, we got a little bit of stop and go traffic here. How does the clutch feel? Yeah, I mean, it doesn't feel too different compared to my car that I drive. See, will anybody let me in? Not too heavy on the foot, but yeah, I can definitely tell the clutch is stiffer. All right, well, you guys don't want to see this kind of driving, so I'm gonna cut the video here and we'll open it back up again when we got free traffic. All right, now while I'm on this stop and go traffic and we're up in a hill, I have now learned that this car does not have a hill assist, where my BMW that I drive, there's a little bit of a pause between when you let your foot off the clutch that's going to hold the vehicle still for about 2 seconds. It gives you a chance to accelerate forward. This one just starts rolling back right away. So if you're going to drive one of these, you got to be really good with your clutch and going uphill, especially because it's a heavier vehicle. It's rolling back quicker, probably easier to stall as well. All right, we're out of the stop and go traffic. Got a little bit of freedom here. This truck's even got blind spot monitoring. I like it. I like this truck. Real-time traffic signal saying 9 minutes to get there. Let's see how accurate that is. I like how it is grunty though. Like third gear, you step on it, nice moving forward. You know, it's engine's got some torque to it. It's not just like, you know, you got downshift in a second to go anywhere. Yeah, this shifter I love. Yeah, if you guys made it this far in the video, please help me out. Smash the like button. Help me out with YouTube's algorithm. If you guys are in the market to purchase a vehicle, it is actually for sale at Parkview BMW. So feel free to reach out to me at my email down below and help you out through purchasing this bad boy. How cool is that shifter? Alright, that's pretty much all I got. We're almost back at the dealership. I don't really have any much else to like walk through or anything. I'm not too familiar with this car. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it informational. If you did, let me know down in the comments below. And peace out. I'll see you on the next video.